What's up with the YouTube? This is TK with Cuts by Kelly. Before we get into the video, I just want to say a few things that I don't know how to draw. So just for some inspiration for y'all who are cutting hair and then trying to do some designs. Let me say that in a better way then. I can draw just a little bit, but I don't draw every day. I don't draw ever, really. When I was younger, I would do a little bit of drawing, but it wasn't like I could draw like action figures or anything like that. It's just sometimes I like try to do just small things. If I see it on paper, then I'll copy it. So I haven't did that in years. So I'm just saying that because maybe some of the stuff that I'm doing now and maybe the stuff I do in the future, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but maybe you might feel like, man, I can't do that, but I think you can, because like I said, I'm not really a drawer. I can just do a little bit. So if you have in your mind or in your arsenal that you could do a little bit, I think you could do exactly what I'm doing, even better, because if I had to rate this one out of 10, I'm gonna give myself an 8. I think I accomplished what I wanted, but there's still some details that I could have done to make it way better. But with that being said, enjoy the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell, hit the like button. Also leave a comment if you have any questions or any ideas or just something you want to put down there. So make sure you do that. I really appreciate all you who are watching this video and all of my videos, and you who are going to subscribe and have already subscribed. So let's turn a page on this and let's get into it.
Oh.